Hello, sweet little learners. It's Miss Haken. Welcome back to Numeracy. We are all about opposites. So I have a really cool sorting activity for you. It's kind of like playing memory, but with opposite words. So you're going to get a piece of paper. There's going to be all sorts of words on there. Every word has an opposite. Remember yesterday we did big, and we knew that the opposite was small. So there's small with the bird. So what you're going to do is you're first going to take your pencil or crayon and you're going to print your words, and then you're going to color your sorting activity. You're also going to need some scissors or some adult help to cut out along the dotted lines. After you cut out along the dotted lines, you're going to have a little bit of a deck of cards. So it's going to be really cool. So you're going to have your deck of cards. You're going to cut them all out, and it's going to take some patience and time. And then you're going to scramble them up and see if you can match them to their opposite friends. So this would be new. So I'd have to find the word what? What's the opposite of new? Old. Yeah. So I'd have to find old and put them together as a pair. So take your time, print and color the pictures first, and then cut out your cards and play opposite match. It's really fun. Play with a friend, a family member, and have lots of fun. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.